Indian Air Force has started construction of an emergency 3.5-kilometer long runway parallel to a stretch of Srinagar-Jammu National Highway in southern Anantnag district. The construction work started on Monday and is going at a very fast pace. Zeenat, my colleague, is joining me from Bij Bihara. Zeenat, even as we stay with the details that are coming in, what more can you tell us about this runway, how it will be of use to the Indian Air Force, and when are we expecting its completion?
See, the highway, the emergency highway, as we talk about the airstrip that is going to be constructed here, we are exactly at that very land patch where the airstrip is going on, the work is going on, and the completion of the time period for this completion is somewhere around 8 months. You can see the workers that are doing their job. In fact, this is the National Highway Authority of India that has taken the job, and they are doing it through the local contractors. In fact, this will be used for fighter jets, particularly for the emergency landing. In fact, when we talk about Kashmir and particularly if you talk about the Air Force, the way the airstrips are being used by Indian Air Force in Kashmir, this will be the third of its kind. Another one is in Srinagar, the airport. Then you have in Avantipora and this one, and also the other one. You have the 3 air bases of Indian Air Force that are being used. The third one, in fact, this is keeping the entire across globe. We are seeing the people keeping an eye on this because this is coming at a time when the image prevailing tensions on borders with Pakistan and China. The Indian Air Force has decided to construct this runway here. In fact, we are joined by one of the contractors, one of the operators here. Sir, आप बताइए कि कब से काम आप कर रहे हो यहाँ पर?
ये वन वीक से कर रहे हैं। वैसे परमिशन 4 महीने हो गए पहले से मिली हुई है। हाँ जी।
तो कितना दिन रात काम चल रहा है, तो कितने वर्कर्स लगे हुए और तो कितना पीरियड है, टाइम पीरियड है कंप्लीट करने के लिए?
ये 7-8 महीने का पीरियड, तो और बाकी आदमी 150 जैसे गाड़ियाँ, ऑपरेटर, इंजीनियर वगैरह सब 100-150 आदमी काम कर रहे हैं। सबको रोजगार मिला हुआ है और हम जल्दी पूरा टीम लगे हुए हैं जल्दी ख़त्म करने के लिए। तो ये बर्फ़ गिरने से, जैसे दिसंबर में बर्फ़ गिरती है यहाँ, तो दिसंबर से पहले ये ख़त्म करने के लिए।
तो सर, अभी जो लॉकडाउन चल रहा है उसके रहते हुए कितनी दिक्कतें आ रही है?
दिक्कतें तो जी बहुत है। जैसे अब साथ में खड़े नहीं हो सकते, आने जाने की भी दिक्कत सी, जैसे इसलिए दिक्कत तो थी। अभी परमिशन ली है कंपनी ने, तो पास वगैरह भी बना के दिए, ऊपर से परमिशन लिया, ऊपर से ऑर्डर हुआ है, जब भी हमने काम स्टार्ट किया। ये दिक्कत अभी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, किसी चीज़ की कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। जैसे पुलिस है, आर्मी है, जैसे यहाँ के लोकल पब्लिक है, फुल सपोर्ट है काम करने के लिए। हमारे को कभी कोई परेशानी नहीं हो रही अभी इन दिनों में। तो
जो ये अभी रनवे यहाँ बन रहा है, इसमें खाली मजदूर बाहर के हैं या लोकल लोग भी इसमें काम कर रहे हैं?
लोकल भी है, बाहर के तो हम ही ऑपरेटर हो गए, जैसे इंजीनियर हो गए, 1-2 इंजीनियर यहाँ के भी है और लेबर भी है कुछ, तो ज़्यादा यहीं के ही हैं जी।
तो इन टोटल कितने लोग हैं जो इस हाईवे एयर स्ट्रिप पे काम कर रहे हैं?
अभी तो फिलहाल 50-60 आदमी हैं, और जैसे जैसे अभी तो काम स्टार्ट हुआ है, 1 वीक हुआ है, और जैसे जैसे काम रनिंग में आएगा स्टाफ बढ़ेगा, लेबर भी बढ़ेगी, जैसे इंजीनियर वगैरह सब मशीनरी बढ़ेगी।
थैंक यू। So that was one of the contractors. Here is a local contractor here who has been working with the National Highway Authority of India, who have taken the contract for construction of this air runway. In fact, and this is more than a 3.5-kilometer runway that needs to be completed in less than 8 months of time. Although because of the prevailing lockdown, the work has been delayed. But now, since Monday, we are seeing the work going on in full pace. In fact, 24/7, the work is going on, and so the monitoring is taking place by the security agencies from police as well as the army. In fact, local people are also part of this project, apart from the people coming from outside. But this runway is going to play an important part, particularly for the fighter jets in case of any emergency. If there is because we are also seeing the prevailing tensions on borders with China and Pakistan. So we are seeing the decision taken by the Indian Air Force. Although in 2017, if you remember, the Indian Air Force has decided and have chosen few of the national highways in the country where the emergency landings can be done. In Kashmir, this will be the third airspace that will be airstrip that will be used by the Air Force Authority of India, and needs to be completed as these people were telling us. The time period is 8 months.
All right, Zeenat, many thanks for getting us these pictures and, of course, giving us all the details.